Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI photo platform, which is Canva and PhotoRoom. So let's get started with a breakdown about these two platforms. Canva remains a top-tier visual design platform known for its massive library of templates, drag and drop editing, and brand-free features. It's ideal for creating social media graphics, presentation, art, and videos. Canva also include AI power tools like Magic Eraser, AI writing, image generation, make it perfect for users who want a mix of design power and simplicity, especially for marketers, students, and business teams. Lightroom, on the other hand, by contrast, is built specifically for photo editing and background removal. Its AI engine instantly removes background, has drop shadows, and create a product-ready image with clean, professional layout. It's especially popular among e-commerce sellers, content creators, and anyone needing a quick studio quality photos for platforms like Shopify and Instagram. PhotoRoom is faster and more focused on product visual, but less versatile than Canva for full-scale design. And here's the overall conclusion. So choose Canva if you want an all-in-one design platform for branding, marketing, and creative projects, but pick PhotoRoom if you need fast, clean photo edits, especially for product or product shot or portrait shot. So for full design flexibility, Canva win, and for sharp, quick photo editing, PhotoRoom is the best pick. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about these two platforms. And if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.